All right, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna do a LUSH Copycat Steam Dream Tabs. These are great for facial skin, great for acne. They calm and clear your skin up. They're absolutely brilliant, and I'm gonna show you how to make them. So we're gonna use baking soda and citric acid, and we'll use exactly the same essential oils that they do, because if it's Copycat, we're gonna copy them. Shh. All right, so that's all you need. You're gonna need a cup of baking soda and half a cup of citric acid. We're gonna mix that up together, and then you're gonna put in your essential oils. And you don't have to do, if you wanna do it to the T, then do the same essential oils, which is lavender, rose, chamomile, and tea tree oil. So tea tree oil, think, antibacterial, well, not antibacterial, but tea tree oil is so great with acne. You've got the calming lavender and chamomile, and of course rose. So it's not only great for your skin, and you'll see it's really fantastic, because we're going to put them into a bowl of hot water, which I'll show you, and then you put a towel over your head and over the bowl, and the steam and the essential oils come up, opens your pores, and just clears your skin and cleans your skin. It's absolutely brilliant for skin problems, for redness, or just, it's incredibly relaxing as well. So let me show you how to do it. Righto, so the process is exactly the same as before. You're going to put in a cup of baking soda and a half a cup of citric acid. Alrighty, there you go. We'll give it a little mix up. I have to get these lumps out again of this baking soda. Oh, actually this is better than using my hands actually. Alright, and then you want to put in your essential oils. Now if you want it to be, if you want to do exactly, you can put in 8 drops of lavender. You put 8 drops of lavender, 6 drops of rose essential oil, 4 drops of chamomile, and 4 drops of tea tree oil. If you want to do it exactly. If not, you can put in like 20 drops of, say, rose or chamomile or lavender, or just tea tree. But to have it really like this, because they all have really great properties of their own. So, if you got them, absolutely do it. So it's 8 drops of lavender, 6 of rose, 4 of chamomile, and 4 of tea tree oil. Going to mix them all together. And then we're going to put them into here, so you know how to mix them. Remember, you're going to use your spray gun to do that as well. So I'm going to put the essential oils in, mix it up, put them in the tray, and we'll get back to you. All right, now it's time to check our knockoff LUSH Steam Dream Steam tabs. Okay, now remember, I'm showing you the bog standard model. I don't have the rose flowers, but it's got the essential oils. It'll work perfectly, but they're adorable. Hang on. Look at that. Look at these little guys. Little love hearts. What perfect gifts, eh? What beautiful little gifts. So you see these? Little love hearts. You can have little whatevers from your silicone molds, whatever you want to buy. And then, of course, and I said you could have, you imagine having cough and flu season. You could have ones with eucalyptus and rosemary and peppermints and stuff like that, these decongestants, and then inhale these essential oils. But of course these ones are so calming, so just beautiful, and of course for your face, your skin, calms and clears the skin. So anyway, I've got my towel, because I've got to get my towel over my head, because, hang on, couldn't have got a big enough towel, eh? So, I've got to get hot water, put it in, and then put my head and the towel over the top of the hot water and have like a little tent, like this. Let's do this thing. Alright, so I've got my bowl of hot water. Obviously be careful, put a couple of inches, use lovely hot water. And you can put a couple of little hearts in. Way you go, guys. Well, hey, alright, I get my towel, and I'm going to put my head over this with the towel over this, and oh yeah. Well, I hate to love you and leave you, but I got some Dream Steam tabs to take advantage. So I'm gonna go chillax, get my complexion better. See you in the next lecture.